How are we doing, everybody? I'm here. Sorry about that. I'm here now. I missed you guys. Guys, make sure to drop a like on the stream. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. I don't know why, but every time I come back, as soon as I come back, the viewer drops by like 5 or 10 people. I don't know if you guys just don't like my voice, but that's all right. All right, let's start the stream. Hopefully everything's okay. Let me know if the stream volume is too loud compared to my voice. All that kind of stuff. Anyway, so we are going to be doing some fun stuff. It's been a minute since I've talked to you guys, since I've streamed for you guys. Actually, one sec. Let me just move this up slightly. Anyway, yeah. It's been a little while. Not too long, but it's been about a week since we last streamed. So I feel like you guys forgot about me already. Is that the case? You guys forget about me? Guys, let's get to 20 likes. ASAP. Let's get to 20 likes. Anyway, so I'm looking at my chat now. Can I get a wave from you guys in chat? Let's just get some waves in chat. How are you guys doing today? I want to show you guys something. I think it's really funny. I need to rant for a sec before we start the game development stuff. Because I'm very disappointed in myself. But Rescue Squad, what's going on, man? Max, Madagaskin, Alexander Ghoul, Mickey OZ. How are we doing, guys? Karthik, Luigi, how are we doing? What engine do you use? I use GameMaker Studios 2, and I use Sprite for all of my pixel art stuff. So those are my two engines. I also use some other stuff like Tile Setter I use for creating tile sets. And I think there's one other tool. I guess, actually no, I think that's it. Smart Art, Sue Cassidy, Krithik, Stack. How we doing? Look at that. Look at the waves. Loan, how we doing? I miss you guys. Unnamed. Man. Anna Madden. Hopefully I didn't miss anybody. Anyway, we're gonna start now. So guys, let me rant for a sec. I'm so disappointed in myself. So I'm making this video, right? Oh my god. I'm making this video, and if you guys saw my post, hold on, where's my post? I posted on YouTube. I posted a story. I've only done like 1 or 2 stories, and I posted a new story, and it was like, I don't know, something like, you know, new camera, you know, for future videos or something. So I wanted to start using the new camera for this next video. I was halfway through recording it already, so most of the footage was already done. But there was a few parts that I wanted to you know, do a little extra. Anyway, basically, long story short, I'm an idiot. Your boy's an idiot, and I blurred all the footage. So because on the camera, I didn't realize this is my first time using the camera, and so I'm trying to improve my lighting skills. So if you hold on, let me see. So this is what like a bit of the video looks like. I tried to do more like A-roll footage. So you have like, you know, this is kind of similar to what I've been doing on the channel, which is pretty lazy. It's pretty lazy, pretty crap. You know, the lighting is just bad. It's kind of like washing out my face. I'm right against the background, so there's nothing going on there. Anyway, so it's just like kind of trash, but it's okay, whatever. So then I tried to, like, you know, change up the scene, add some depth into the shot, you know, make the lighting better. And your boy blurred all the goddamn footage. So look at this. Silly me. Look at this, man. It's all blurred. It's all friggin' blurred. My face is blurred out in the entire shot. So I literally talk about it. I think I'm like, so guys, like, you know, the new footage, it's dope. And then I'm gonna like add like an extra like narration over it and be like, yeah, sorry guys, I blurred all the footage, so I'm an idiot. Anyway, thank you for watching. So that's the situation. Anyway, I just wanted to talk about that quickly because I just finished filming all of the stuff for the new video, and I'm very disappointed in myself. I don't see any blur. You guys might not be able to see if you're like far away, but if you're close, if you're watching it in full screen and it's just like the video, it's a little bit blurred. It's not too bad, but if you look at it on the camera, it's crisp, and then you look at it on the computer, and it's shit. So anyway, that's what's going on. I'm gonna look at my chat again. Xtopy, how you doing, man? Caleb, I was at full screen. I don't know, like I don't know. Maybe it's not too bad. Maybe I'm being too picky, but it was pretty trash. What are we doing today? So we're gonna be doing a little bit of just randomness, but we are gonna be working on the ruins. So these are the cave. This is just like the cave sprites, just the ground and then the thing. I'll show you guys some stuff that I've been doing because, as I said in the last video, I'm starting to kind of go away from just the traditional like, here's a devlog, here's a content dump, all that kind of stuff. So that kind of stuff is going to be through the, the live streams. I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of content through the live streams. Twitter, Discord, I want to be more active on and show updates as the game progresses. But I think like the YouTube channel, you'll still get updates, but it's not going to be like, here's a content dump, here's, I did this, and then just like, whatever. I want to do more with my content, and I'm not really into that kind of stuff anymore. Anyway, so what was I working on? So look at this. So I'm working on some new grass, and we did this last time, but I actually separated it into sections. So basically every 4 tiles is like a their own patterned grass, right? So yeah, it's like, this would be these 4 tiles, these 4 tiles, these 4 tiles. I'm just having it 16 by 16 because then I can see where the center is, so I don't just see a big box. But yeah, so I started working on the cave assets as well. I think I really, really like this because I wanted to make this area, the cave is like mixed in with the burning forest. So if you guys have seen the videos, the burning forest is like a maroon. It was very like red before. I kind of toned it down, if you can see here. So this is the burning forest, and so a lot of the assets are reused because these are kind of the same environment biome. Technically, it's like once you go further into the burning forest, you go into the mines, which is like the cave area, and so that's all like the fire section of the island. So they do have a lot of the same assets. Obviously, you have like some flowers in the burning forest, just a few, just to kind of sprinkle in. Definitely not as much as the clearing area. And then this one you have like rocks and pebbles and little like texturing of the grass. So I think that once we put in all this stuff, it's gonna look a lot better. We already put in this stuff and it does look much better if you guys are following me on Twitter. But we're just gonna continue to evolve the style and just make it better and whatever. So I think this is way better than what we had before. So today we're gonna be working on setting up the ruins. Red Grass Pog, yes sir. Is he in Twitch? I am not streaming on Twitch, unfortunately. The audio cuts off for me every now and again. Is it the same for anybody else? Can you guys answer that? Does the audio cut out for you guys? Maybe I can like move this closer. I don't know. That's weird. It shouldn't. It shouldn't. Anyway. Guys, just like always, it's been a little while, but if we get to 100 likes the stream, we will be making a new Discord emoji. I love doing those for you guys. I think it's a lot of fun. But we need some kind of incentive. So 100 likes, we'll make a Discord emoji. In celebrating, I don't think we've gone a single live stream without getting that 100 like goal because you guys are sick and awesome. Crisp and clear. It doesn't. The audio is perfect. Okay, cool. Let's actually get some stuff done then. I'll probably show you guys a little bit of the new video in a bit, but yeah, bear with me here. So this is kind of like, this is the entrance point. Your birthday stream. What about birthday stream? It's not my birthday, unfortunately. My birthday is a long way away. Long way away. But hold up. Let me just like, just as an example, just throw some of these in here. Oh my god. No. There we go. Just to make our test scene a little bit nicer. This isn't exactly how the game looks. The game looks definitely a lot better than this, especially when you add in like the paths and stuff, but it's just a test scene, you know? Nothing crazy. Also, I think that this grass is not the right color, but I could be wrong. Anyway, so how's everybody's day going, by the way? I'm gonna look at chat for a little while. It's been a minute since I looked at chat, so I'm gonna check out chat. I want to talk to you guys. If you have any questions for me, please make sure to @ me in the chat so I can see it come up in orange and I can answer it. Reece, you might want to add some juicy calculus in the game. Man, I don't know. I don't know why that's such a thing. I don't know why you guys always ask about that. But Decker Picks, what's going on, man? A Token Beast. Dude, the game is looking on point, man. Been a minute since I dropped in. Yeah, it's been a minute since I streamed, actually. It's been a minute since I streamed as well, so yeah. Anyway, so we gotta make assets for this. So I'll probably grab a lot of the same colors. I think I'm gonna look at some references online just to get me inspired, because right now I have zero idea of what I want to do. I feel like I want it to look like where is it? The blacksmith. I have no idea what I saved it under. Anyway, here it is. I think I kind of want it to look a little bit like this, where you just have the ground is one color and you have these like these kind of like decals throughout, which I can obviously do as this. We can add another one, right? And then we can do some stuff like this. Which I think would be interesting. But obviously, you know, we need to change the color palette and make this a little cleaner. But I do think that this would be a good idea. Chris, what's going on, man? What's the time for you right now? It is just about to be noon. In 3 minutes, it'll be noon. It's 11:57 a.m. Nico Laws, what's going on, man? One. Hey, bro. Glad to see you again. Yeah, it's been a little bit. It's been a little bit. I missed all of you guys so much. Add white outlines to the character and objects, please. They blend in really easily and do not stand out. Somebody actually, it's weird that you said that, because somebody just, I've been working on this game for how long? Like almost a year. And you guys are now starting to talk about that. But somebody just commented recently on a video saying like, yo, the characters blend in a lot. Let me try it. Let me try it. Let's see what we got. If we outline, oh god, what layer are these on? Why? Yeah, that's on this layer, I think. Oh, it's because the grass is okay. I'm an idiot. All right, guys, we're gonna fix this. Boom. There we go. All right, now it'll work. So let's try an outline. It's gonna outline the shadow, but we can fix that. So what happens if we give our players an outline? I could give the players an outline. The only problem that I have with this is, hold up. I always like when outlines don't do the feat. Like I don't like doing this because it kind of breaks perspective. So I think this is better. What do you guys think? Like, does that look better? Should I outline all the characters? I think that actually looks way better. What the hell? Like, I think I used to have an outline back in the day, and then I was like, nah, I don't want that for this game specifically. Much better. What about white instead of black? I'll try white, but we got black here, and then hold on, let me make a new one. God, I missed you guys so much. Good God, I missed you. Miss streaming for you guys. Yeah, personally, I think that black looks better, especially because the protagonist, who you're going to be seeing all the time, is in black. But what we could do, actually, that's kind of annoying. Never mind. I think we should keep it consistent. The only thing that I think is maybe doing, oh God. Having NPCs in white and the player in black, but honestly, I think that's just too confusing. I think keeping everything consistent would be good, because I mean, you see your protagonist all the time, right? So you don't need him to be different. So I do think that just keeping everything black is good. I think it just fits my aesthetic a little bit more. I never really use white outlines. I do know people that do, and that's completely fine, but for me, I don't usually. Okay, but instead of white or black, what if we do the color of their kind of like their under, like their shadow? That could also maybe be better. So what do you guys think? So black, hold up, you guys can help me decide. Black or the color of, I guess that doesn't really make sense because of this stuff. It like gets really confusing. I'm just gonna try in case. Yeah, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Unless this is black. Hold on. Last thing, we could make this black. Is that the same? Yeah, it might be a lot of, that's a lot of work. I agree. I think just keeping it black is fine. Yeah, that's a lot of work. But, you know, gotta try it, you know? Gotta try it at least. So yes, I do agree. I think this would be a lot of work. So let's just go with black. I love when you guys just help me out. Objects should also have an outline. Let's try it. Boom. I don't know about that. I don't know. I mean, probably not the grass, but I don't think that like the trees and stuff do. Maybe like objects that you can interact with. But it's just gonna be a hard line. It's like, well, what's technically an interactable object and what's not? Is there character customization? Absolutely. But not just like, you know, here, like you have the, like this is the protagonist. We still don't even have a name for this guy, but let's take a moment of silence to eat some food. Anyway, so what was I saying? Guys, I have ADHD. I actually don't know if I do. I just say that because I get off track a lot. Anyway, so I don't know if these should. I'll try it and I'll see. But I don't know. But yeah, protagonist name ideas, everybody. Yeah, sure. You guys can drop it. Drop it in the chat. I actually kind of like Fen. Somebody said Fen, Zen, Pen, Glenn, Jen. I do kind of like Fen. I'm not going to lie, but I feel like that might be something already. We need something like different and distinct. But if you guys want to, like, we'll probably have a lot of like native tribal names. So I don't really know what that Goob. I'm sorry, man. Mr. Schnebley, I'm calling you out. That is a horrible name. Goob. Oh my god. Anyway, we're going for like a native, North American native tribal theme for the most part for this game, so think along those lines. Gareth, Tano, Bob, absolutely not. I used to work for a Bob. Not the best experience. Don't really want to name my protagonist Bob. I'm not gonna lie to you. Anyway, so we'll get to this in a bit, but I think for now what I'll do is I'll just delete all of the colors that aren't rocks. Oh god. One sec. I made it an oops. Oh my god, I did it again. Anyway, so obviously this isn't like end result, but I'm gonna remove the grid for a second just so I can see what's going on. Yeah, I don't know if there is going to be like rocks and pebbles in the dungeon, but we'll see. Okay. Neve is a name. Neve. Also, guys, there'll be a ton of NPCs, so I might get your ideas for NPCs as well. Wouldn't the player name them for the RPG? Yes, more than likely, yes, but I don't know. I just, we kind of want to go for more of a story-driven focus game. So I think we're just gonna keep it as just a name. I know a lot of games do that, but I do think that it kind of, yes, it feels a little bit more personal to your journey, but when you want to kind of like explain out a story and stuff and have characters that are like, you know, especially if we have a sequel or something, right? Like I know like Zelda does that where they still have a lot of story, but you can still name your character whatever you want. But like Link is his name, you know what I mean? Like he has a name, and personally I don't know. I think I'd rather like give characters names. Anyway, so what was I talking about? Character customization. Someone like 25 hours ago was asking about character customization. Sorry for blowing you off there. Anyway, character customization is a little bit different because we have a set protagonist. This is the character, but the character is going to have different costumes. So for example, you might have a costume like a water themed costume, and then, you know, he's like balling out, and then, you know, let's just say, for example, boom, water costume, right? So most of them will be just color changes, because we'll have all of them. I think there's 16 different costumes in total. So you're customizing your costume rather than customizing your character. Some might have slightly different hairstyles, but I don't know, because with all the animations, it might be kind of annoying. But we might in some of them maybe like give him a little hat or something. That could be a possibility, right? We could give him a little hat on some of them potentially. But yeah, so we'll see what's going on. But you know, for the most part, it's kind of just like color swaps and stuff. So you might have like a, you know, let's think. I think there was one that was really cool, which is like more of like a red lining, similar to how the original is. Let's see if I can replicate this. I think it's like red lining, and then there's like white base, and then I think something was blue. I don't know if it was like the hood was blue. Maybe not. Maybe it was his hair. Maybe his hair was blue. I need to get rid of this hat. Oh god. I think that's right. Anyway, I don't fully remember what the costume was, but I just really like the color, like blue, white, and red. I love as a color scheme, and so I wanted to do something like that for one of the costumes. But I think it was more elaborate than this. I think maybe he had like a blue gem or something. Maybe that's what it was. Maybe he had like a blue gem. And like some slight changes in how the costume looks. Anyway, so that's kind of the deal with character customization, is you're not going to be able to, like, you know, we have a set protagonist, and yeah, that's the situation. Okay. Okay, cool. Moving on. Let's get to doing this. So I think that for our color, what we're probably going to do is, this is a great starting point. Christian Vasquez, kind of like Journey the game. The costume, I think so. Yeah, it looks kind of like that. I'm just playing around with, you know, getting a color scheme. Oh God. What layer is this in? What is happening? Please. Oh, it's just in the normal one. Anyway, so I think, you know, this kind of idea where, like, hold up, let's grab another color. I think that was the brightest one that I used. Is that the same color? It is. Oh, we can go really bright. So there you have accents. Obviously, we're not going to save this, but what if we have white dots on the ground instead? Could look better. And we could add some, potentially, but we could add like some of this kind of like this blue in the cracks, which I think would be interesting, because then it's kind of like, you know, it's a part of the ground. But I think we need a color, like a darker color, to pull that off. But I do think that would be really cool. Look at that. That's kind of sexy. The main character could be called Michael Scott. That's like a very generic name. We did get some good ones though. I definitely missed a lot of them. Sorry. You're the coolest. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Can he be bald? Maybe we can have a I don't know. I don't know, man. I mean, we got bald NPCs though, so hat reveal? Who, me? I don't know, man. Very cool customizations. I'm excited for it. Yeah. What do you think of Nashoba? It's of Native American origin and it means wolf. That's actually cool. That could definitely be one of the NPCs. I'm gonna hold on. Let me write that down. Let me write that down real quick. You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna create a name thing. New emoji at 100 likes, please. Yes, we are. 100% we are. So guys, make sure to like the video. Helps promote it to more people, and you know, then we can make a Discord emoji. Can I wishlist a game on Steam? You absolutely can. The link is the first link in the description. You can follow on, you know, on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram, which is more my personal. Actually, I'm gonna be making a post today. I want to show you guys my post. I know you probably don't care because it's my personal life, and I feel like a lot of you guys just like the game dev stuff, but try to keep it a little bit more, you know, whatever. Anyway, so I went filming with my buddy Logan, who actually comes to a lot of the streams, so maybe he'll pull up on one of the streams. And so we went filming, I think it was yesterday or 2 days ago. So I got some footage for the new video, which I'm very excited about. And I was like, yo, please, can you take a picture of me taking a picture? So yeah, we got that. So that's gonna be on Instagram soon, if you guys are following me, which not a lot of you are, because I understand. I probably wouldn't follow somebody that I was like watching like a specific content for, and then like going to their personal life. I don't know. Sometimes I do, but sometimes. Anyway, very excited for the new video. Oh, if I can't actually, no, I can't show you this. No. Oh guys, I'm so excited. This intro is so sick. You guys saw the first like 60 frames of the intro of the next video, and I'm excited about it. I think it's gonna be a cool one. But yeah, I see a question. So yeah, guys, make sure to, if you have questions, I'm gonna start taking questions. But yeah, anyway, Logan Paul. No, not Logan Paul. Anyway, very excited. Very excited. It'll be a good one. So yeah, let me write down some name suggestions. So should I do this in Discord? Probably not. Let's do it on Trello. Can you upload a character or monster creating tutorial? I have some exciting news for you guys on that, but not yet. I think I'm actually not allowed to say anything. I don't know if I'm under an NDA or what the situation is, but I have some exciting news about that. I'm working something up behind the scenes. Guys, remember how I just made that video like last week or whatever? And we talked about, okay, hold up. Let me just, where should this go? Game design? No. Story. Let's write it in story. So let's do name suggestions. We really don't need this anymore. I'm gonna make the call, and I'm actually gonna archive this list because we don't need this. So yeah, let's get rid of this. I don't really use this one anymore, to be honest. I don't really use the Monster Tribe Trello board too much, because I use my daily, my like weekly Trello board a lot more. But obviously this is just, you know, for the team and everything. So let's do the protagonist ideas and then like NPCs. So yeah, what was that name? Nashoba. There was a few others. I can't really remember. If you guys have name suggestions, let me know. I'm not gonna write them all down, but you know, we'll get some throughout the video. Naaman or Naaman? I feel like that would definitely be more of an NPC type name. I'll just write it down. What about James? I think we want to go for more like off the walls names, you know? But yeah, hold on. There was Aliska. That's actually a cool name for like an NPC. I don't know if I'll spell it like that because that's hard to. I feel like a lot of people won't know how to pronounce that, but I do like that. That's a cool one. But yeah, we'll get back to this in a bit. Maybe you guys can throw some suggestions. Name him Chad. I feel like we might have a Chad or something. Just a really goofy character. We'll see. Maybe if one of the NPC Kickstarter donator people wants to name him Chad, maybe we can do that. Tori. How about Da Baby? I don't know, man. I'm not trying to get sued, you know? Pedro. I love Pedro. I just think that name's solid. Probably for an NPC though. I think the protagonist name needs to be very like serious and like, you know, easy to pronounce but different. Name the protagonist. How do you pronounce that again? Isn't it like Zaysha or something? Like Elon Musk's kid. I don't remember, but I know it's something like crazy. Nebula. That's cool, but it is a thing. I'll write it down though, just in case. Okay. Anyway, we'll get back to this. I won't close it, but I'll just get rid of it for now. Damn, look at that. But I'm actually gonna bring this out a little bit more. Whoop. I do think it would be cool to do something like this. Name him Tesla? Absolutely not. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. I feel like somebody asked me a question I completely forgot. What's the name theme supposed to be? The name theme? I don't think I understand. What's a name theme? Oh, like I guess like tribal, like North American tribal, native. Can you upload it? Yeah. Okay, wait, hold on. Oh man, I think there was a question. I can't remember it. What is your favorite character? Favorite resolution for characters? 16 by 16. I think. Anyway, if you guys have questions, you can ask me. I think I missed it though. Enjoy your videos. Thank you. Means a lot. It means a lot. Thank you for all your name suggestions, guys. We'll get back to it in a sec. Okay. The only problem is it looks a little weird. Against this floor. I think the floor needs to be darker. So we're gonna cheat a little bit and slightly darken the floor. And I guess these can also be slightly darker as well. So I think that this kind of color scheme would be good. This kind of color scheme seems pretty good for the dungeon, and then obviously we'll actually make the dungeon. So name him Cheeto. I don't know, man. I don't know about Cheeto. I don't know about Cheeto, my friend. All right, let's do this. So we can do texturing on the floor, but let me grab all of the colors. What if we do this color for the ground? Nah, that's too dark. Okay. We'll use this as the shading color. And then what would this darker thing be for? I guess like for shadows. Well, no, I guess these are shadows. No, hold on. I think these would be slightly darker. And then maybe maybe these can have an under shadow. I'm not for sure, but could. All right, what do you guys think about that? Does that look more like it's in the floor? Especially when we add in these texturings, right? Cheeto's sick. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Oh yeah, somebody asked about naming him Cheeto or something. You guys are crazy. But yeah, what do we think about something like this compared to this? Just came to the stream. What engine are you using? I'm using Acebright, but for game development, I use GameMaker Studios too. But yeah, so what do you guys think about this? Do we like the shaded texture, or do we like it just like flat? Personally, I actually do like the shaded better because it looks a little bit more like it has some depth to it. I don't think I need to do it on this one because this one is a little bit different. But I think that it shows like deeper cracks, and I think that that is important because like this is very like, these are like shallow ones. Like it's kind of just like imprints, right? It's like the dirt kind of, or like the brick laying showing through or whatever. But this one, I think it shows that it's a little bit deeper, and so then we can add in this kind of texturing underneath. So we'll go with it. We'll go with it, and then we'll throw down. Oh, I'm an idiot. Hold up. I gotta do it on the under layer. Oh god. I don't have the colors anymore. Okay, we gotta keep this for now. Until I have all the colors down. Okay, sweet. So I'm gonna start doing a bunch of these decals, but I don't know. I don't know if we want both. Like, do I want rocks in here? Tough call. You know? Maybe. Do you think, do you guys think, should we have rocks in this texturing? If like most of the textures have these kind of like these things. Oh god. I think so. I think so. I feel you should add debris. Yeah, I agree. I think that would be really interesting. But yeah, I mean, I'm good with this, like, for the design. I'm good with this for the design, but how are we gonna do? Let me just remove this. Oh, I'm on the wrong layer again. Oh god. Okay, right. All right, so we remove this. We grab everything on here and put it on the layer above, and then we just add that thing back. And then we should be good. Maybe magical crystals. Okay, I like the suggestions, guys. I'm glad we're brainstorming here. I'm gonna actually remove a lot of these Because we definitely, if we do want them in the game, we want it to be very subtle. Okay, so I think if we do something like this, we have it a little bit more scarce, and then we just add in a bunch of these everywhere, then I think we'll be good. Guys, I think it's time. Let's get to 80 likes. We're almost at 100, and then we can make a Discord emoji. I'm looking at my chat. Could you name a character in Heems? It's African for indigenous. We'll see. Maybe. Maybe. Will the light under the floor be a side quest? Will the light under the floor be a side quest? No, no, no. It's just like detailing. It's just detailing in the ground. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do. Yes, Arts, what's going on, man? How are you doing today? Sheer Boromir. Hey, just joined. Welcome. Welcome, guys. What are we doing right now? We are working on the dungeon tile set. So this is the outside. And we're basically creating our decals for what we want on the bottom. So that is what we're doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just remove this color entirely. And we'll do all of the stuff now. Okay. I don't really want it to get super close. I don't like when things get super close to the edges. Oh god. Okay, wait, hold on. So this is the bottom? Do we have one extra? Hold on. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, okay, okay. So this is its own thing. So this is starting to cut into the other one, which I don't want to do. Okay, so let's move this thing up here. And then let's just, you know. Just because these aren't, it's not supposed to like tile into each other. These are just like extra decals. But if there's like one right beside another one, I don't want them to overlap just in case that doesn't end up looking good. I like the background music. Thank you. Yeah, it's from Chill Hop. They do amazing work. I wonder if they're going to join another live stream. That was so weird. Like, who was there for that? Guys, raise your hand in the chat if you were there for when Chill Hop came into the live stream and was just chatting with us. They made like a Stardew reference thing, Stardew Valley reference, and I had no idea what it was. And I looked like an idiot. That's all right, you know. Sometimes you just look like an idiot, and that's okay. Raise his hand. Oh yeah, I wasn't there. That's okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. But you know, something spicy always happens on these live streams, so you know, it's an incentive to stick by and watch them. Something's funny. Something funny is always happening on these live streams. Maybe I'm just saying that to lie to you guys and pretend like I'm more interesting than I am. Maybe. Okay. Is this gonna look good? I don't think so. I don't like that, but we can connect these. Move them around a little bit. Where did this much jazz come from? Oh, yeah. I love jazz so much. It makes me happy. Okay, this one for some reason is just making me feel a little strange. Maybe I have to add another thing here. This one's nice and long. You like jazz? I do. What's that? We are doing we're working on creating whatever you call it. What's it called? Yeah, this one's very broken because it's very big. We're working on the dungeon tile set right now. So I'm just trying to add in a bunch of these decals, and then we're gonna add the shadow back. I missed the shadow. I promise it's coming back. Okay. Does that look good? Let's do that. I actually want to do that on a few more of them. Have more like breakage. Okay, so let's do one more. I'm just kind of throwing them around because all of these are these are all like different tiles. So we're going to use like all of them in different kind of ways and pieces. Does that make any sense? I don't know if it does. Okay. You're making some kind of floor / wall tile? Yes, I'm making some floor tiles. Let's add one at the top here. Oh no. I messed it up. Okay. Okay. We can revive this. You guys didn't tell me. I'm kidding. But yeah, we are making floors. Floors for the ruins. So this is the outside of the ruins. And yeah. Yo, I created a good sand tile by mistake. That's good, Ryan. I'm happy for you, man. Yeah, I messed up this one too. So I just have to make sure, basically now what I just have to make sure that all of these are in line properly. Hopefully most of them are. I think all of them are. So actually, hold on. Let's change the view just so we can see for real now. So it's a little bit less confusing. So these are technically actually 32 by 32 tiles. So boom, and then watch this. Bam. We're gonna do one more. Oh God. Okay. This one is nice and sexy. I think we can do a nice big rock there. Some more breakage. And I need to make sure that none of these have empty squares, because that would be pretty pointless. This one is off as well, so we're just gonna throw this one in here. And same with this one. What about making them rounded, like 1 pixel of shadow in corners? I will be adding shadows. Give me 1 sec. Give me 1 sec. I will be adding shadows, don't worry. I'm not gonna fake you out. We had shadows originally, but it's way easier if I do all of the detailing first, like this, and then I add shadows in right at the end. So yeah, bear with me for a second here, guys. We are almost done. The final look-ish. This one's pretty bland. So is this one. The idea is really just to get a bunch of different pieces, just so, you know, it looks nice and different. Okay. Now we just have one more tile, but this one I think we're just gonna leave. It'll be another just a pebble type situation. Okay, so now we have all of this stuff. I can add the extra like blue stuff in after, but I just want to throw in the shadow because I don't want to make you guys unhappy. So let's add back in the shadow, and all we have to do is just this. I love Aseprite, sexy tool. Boom, just like that, nice and easy. So now everything has a shadow. Oh, this one is still off. Oh my god, I'm really bad at this today. What's happening to me? What's happening, folks? Isto Inc. Steven, I actually don't remember what your last name is. How you doing, boss? Have you tried isometric? I have. I've done a few isometric things. Actually, our mini game is isometric. I love isometric art. It's really cool, especially in pixel art. It's super interesting. Let's add another one of these thicker rocks. Bam. Okay, so I think this is good. This one always has to be left out because that's just how tiles work. So hopefully all of these, yeah, all of these are fine. But for some reason I goofed on the last one. So let's move this one to the end here. Okay, sweet. So now that we have the floor texturing, well, we can add more of these in. Just in very subtle ways, I think. I feel like a lot of them would be kind of on these corners, but oh, this is cool. Yeah, this is super cool. Love me some isometric art. Me too, man. I'm trying to do pixel art myself, so watching your videos and streams have been helping out a lot. I'm very happy about that. I'm a firm believer that I think watching somebody do whatever talent you're doing, I do think it helps a lot. Like that was the way that I learned, like kind of like took my skills from very, very, very average to like actually pretty good. Was just, you know, watching people actually, you know, do the craft. Everyone's got their own styles though. So like my style is very simple, and that's just because I have to make a ton of art. So for this game, like I'm not doing anything revolutionary. Because obviously if I'm, you know, spending like 8 hours a day, not 8 hours a day anymore. I feel like I don't spend too much time anymore. There's a lot of different things going on right now. And this game is just one of many battles. But yeah, I have to do a lot of art, so I don't want to, you know, take up my life. Let's just sprinkle in some random highlights. I feel like they would kind of hit the corners a lot. This one feels a little unnatural to me, so let's extend this. Boom. Boom, baby. I get thrilled when I see your live streams. That is good. Guys, we're almost at 100 likes, so we will be doing the Discord emoji soon. Guys, make sure to like the video so we can make a new Discord emoji. Yeah. Okay, so we got a few of them with the bright color, a few of them with like just the dull color, and a few of them with kind of like the two in between, like the dull and the slightly brighter color. So I think that's good. You need a nice balance. And then we also have, you know, quite a few of them without any cracks in it at all. So I think that this will be good to move forward. I have to go, but this was a good stream. Bye, everybody. All right, see you, Mickey. It was nice having you here. Guys, let's do some rapid fire questions. So if you have a question, ping me in the chat, and I will answer it to the best of my ability. Whether that's about game development, you know, like this game specifically, or just my job, or, you know, me, whatever it is, but you can let me know. Yeah, I'm actually really happy with this. So let's save this out. And we can close this now because we don't need this. We don't want to destroy our original thing, but hold on, actually we need this color. Maybe we could even get a darker color. I don't know, but that's okay. Are you a solo dev or do you work with a team on Monster Tribe? So I have 2 other people on the team for Monster Tribe. So at this point I'm basically just like the artist on the game. I used to do some coding, but that was in the very early stages. So we have a coder, an artist, and a music composer. And with the Holy Trinity, you can make some nice games. I feel like that's I think that's a really good like mix. I think that between like 2 to 4 people I think is best At least for me, I think that if you have like 10 people on a team, it gets really hard because, you know, I do a lot of like the project management and stuff, and I love doing that. But I think that if it was to be a huge team, it would become too much. And yeah, I don't know. It's crazy. But yeah, I think 2 to 4 people is kind of like the sweet spot. But I think that, you know, having programmer, artist, musician, I think that's a great thing going on. Anyway, so hold on, let me. Nah, let's just do that, and that's it. Is the game wishlistable on Steam yet? And what do you think the price of the final product might be? Here, hold on. Let me shoot some numbers. Let me shoot some numbers at you. So yeah, guys, the Kickstarter is done. It is over. Kickstarter is complete. Oh, that's still there. Hold on, guys. I need to remove this. Where is that? There it is. Oh. Delete the window capture. There we go. So let me pull up my live chat again. Anyway, so the Kickstarter's over. But what we're probably going to do is I might do an add-on store. So for now, I think this takes us to, this takes you to the website, the work in progress website. And so you can actually go here. All these buttons are very placeholder. Like if you see, I made new buttons later on. Where are they? Like these kind of buttons I want to start incorporating onto the website. So things like this, you know, I really like. So yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so you can join the Discord, you can check out the YouTube channel, and then also Monster Tribe specifically, you can go here and you can find the Steam page. But I mean, you can just type in on Google Monster Tribe and the Steam page should show up. So if you go to the Steam page, you can wishlist the game. I would highly recommend it because it does help us out a lot. You know, preferably if you're going to actually buy the game, but you know, even if you're just looking to help us out a little bit, if we reach a certain quota of wish lists, it actually will help promote the game through Steam. Steam will basically see it as a more professional game, and they'll want to push it more. So the more wish lists we have, the better this game is going to do. So yeah. Anyway, I definitely need to update this as well. Like all these screenshots are very old, but I mean the game's constantly changing, so I guess it's fine. Anyway, that's the situation. So back to reality. Let's get those sweet wish lists, baby. Yes sir. Yes sir. Steven's already at what, 20,000 wish lists? Imagine. That's insane. What do you think the beta will be out? The beta will be out, what is it? I think it's June 20th. We're going to be making an update soon. The Kickstarter will be updated soon. And yeah, so the beta, the alpha test demo playtest thing should be out June 20th. Gives us like what, 3 weeks? A little bit over 3 weeks. Leonard, what's going on, man? Leonard is our composer, so he's chilling in the chat. Everybody say hi to Leonard. My voice is starting to go. Okay, it looks almost celestial in a way. That's okay, that's cool. I'm glad that you think that. That's really cool. All right, so now that we have this, I'm just gonna grab one of these. So which one looks good? I think this one looks good. So we're just gonna grab this as a tile, as an example, and we're gonna do something kind of like this. Actually, hold on. So this has to be 32 by 48. So let's real quick cheat. Let's just combine these layers for a sec, just so we can paste this in here. And so that's a 32, I believe. And yeah, that would be the 16. So we're gonna use this as a reference, and we're gonna create the actual wall tiles now. So let's just move it down just so it doesn't get in our way. And then we would create a shadow, which I think would probably be maybe like two wide. Actually, don't know. Let's start with something super simple. So let's do this. Just like how it is on the outside. To start. How did I do this? I want to break this up a little bit more. Actually, hold on. I think this whole thing needs to come down one. Okay. So let's just say this is the situation. So now we're going to tile this horizontally, so we can start kind of fixing this up a little bit. Okay. So again, this is not, it's not the finished result, but yeah, I just want to use this as a general idea of like, this is what this could look like. Kind of like that squiggle there. Damn. It's kind of sweet. Damn, I gotta go. All right, man. We'll see you later. What inspired you to make an RPG? The idea's been in the head for a long time. I talk about it on a lot of my videos, but the idea's been something, I think it's been over a decade. Guys, we're almost at 100 likes, so we can actually, we can make our thing soon. We can make our Discord emoji soon. I do like the top better than this side, for sure. I think it's a more interesting idea, but again, I just want to do a very simple thing for now. Okay. So. Do you know Goodgis? Yes. Goodgis is... I love Goodgis. He's like a brother to me. Yes. I care about him deeply. Okay. Now the problem is if we add an outline here, it's gonna look like it's raised, and I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. Let's do maybe one on this side. Solid. Okay. But yeah, good friend of mine. I was supposed to talk to him the other day. We haven't talked in a bit. We've been very busy, to be honest. Feel sad. I feel sad when we don't talk. But it's life, right? Okay. I don't know where to put these things. I think this is good. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me. History is really grim in Reece versus Goodgis rivalry. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna pass him up though. I don't know. Like, that's tough. What's this guy at now? He's over 30k, I think. We had a race to 10k. He kicked my ass, and then yeah, I guess it's a race to 100k, but I still think he's gonna kick my ass there. Unless, like, I'm gonna be pumping out some really different content soon, so, but I don't know. He's just doing such a good job, so I don't think we'll pass him up. Maybe we could get to 1 mil. I think we could get to 1 mil before we get before Mark. 100k though, I don't think so. Even I want to make a dream game. That's good, man. You know, it's good to just have like inspiration for future projects and stuff, you know. Anyway, yeah, I don't think we're gonna pass him up before 100k. Anyway, so ignore this, because this isn't how it would actually look, obviously. But whatever, let's just say that we have another one, you know, chilling here just to make it look a little bit less patternized. Okay. Let's see, let's go back to our reference. So are there any other colors that we can pull? I guess there's like the top half. Might have some lighter colors. Yeah, so there's one more color that we could technically use, but this is like extremely bright. So we could maybe just add a gloss here. Maybe. Hold on. How many do we have? Yeah, maybe we could add a gloss. See what I'm putting down? Love me some dev dump. Yeah, oh my god. The amount of DMs that I get. When's dev dump coming? When's the next dev dump? Guys, I don't know. It was supposed to be very soon, but then, you know, life happened. Everyone's just really busy. It should be coming soon though, because we've been talking about it for a while. It should be coming soon. Dev dump? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, do we have a darker color? I don't think so. Do you get a lot of DMs asking about when content is coming? Not really, actually. I think we're pretty good for that here on this community, because I mean, I post really frequently. This is like the first time I haven't posted in a week in like a few months, like couple months. I am swapping over. Did we make it 100 likes? We made it. All right, we will take a break and we will do a Discord emoji. That's pretty hype. Okay. I don't know if this looks better or worse. or what the situation is, but okay, I think this is good. What about a big one? No. No, sir. Okay, let's just leave it. Let's just leave it. This is like a prototype, you know? What type of RPG is this? This is a, it's like, this is a monster catcher. So, you know, think something kind of similar to like Pokemon. It's a monster catcher with a bunch of other elements. It's an open world, story-driven RPG. You got resource collection, and you got other stuff. Anyway, all right, this is good. This is fine. So let's stick with this for now. Honestly, do we like this thing though? We could just, nah, I think it looks better with the detailing inside. But yeah, so let's take a break to make a Discord emoji, because we did hit 100 likes. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. Without fail. You guys never seem to fail me on that one, which is awesome. I'm glad that we have a strong community. Now I could add some detailing in here as well. But I just don't know. Not too sure. All right, no. I'm not gonna add the detailing. I think it's actually better without it. So let's just keep it no craziness on top. And maybe maybe we could add some kind of like, I don't know, actually. I'm trying to add some kind of like gloss to the top here, but I don't think we can do that. Some kind of like texturing. But I don't know. Okay. I don't know if I like the texturing on the top, personally. Okay. I think what we might have to do... Oh, God. Sorry, guys. I'll get to the Discord emoji in a sec. So I think what we have to do is we have to break this up. So... So if we do something like this, then we can... This is going to be really weird. Looks great. Thank you, man. Glad you think so. I'm just trying to, you know, fix these tiles here. But let's just say we extend this canvas. So we do a 64. So what would the top look like? The top, I think, would look like just be a block. I don't really know how this would work necessarily. I'll definitely have to do this. I'll like after, I think. Oh my god. I'm getting confused. No, I'm confused. I think something like this for the top would be good. The other thing is we could just not have a top, because technically, if we do something like the indoor house, technically we don't need anything past it, because we just have like black open space. So I think I'll try both methods, but let's just see. Let's add another one. And then, oh god. Okay, we gotta go back. We gotta go back. Wait. No, we don't need to go back. We just need to get rid of this. And then add this. And then, so this could be like the alternative. Maybe we could just add like a little thing here. Like kind of like a breaking point. Let's do one up. Okay, wait. Let's so it needs to be a darker one. Oh no. We need one more color here. So wait. Okay. So we go this color, and then, oh wait, no. This color, and then this color, and then that color. So we can kind of like gradient this out, which could be interesting. And then the other way is like doing something like actually having a top. I do think that this would be nicer because it kind of makes it feel a little bit more spacious. So yeah. We also could just not have these lines as well. Or just have the 2 lines. Honestly, I think the 2 lines is fine. Or if we do that. Oh, that's the winner, I think. I think it's perfect. Thank you. You guys boost my ego too much. It's well done, pixel art. Thank you. That looks good. Thank you. Do you use an art tablet for your pixel art? I do. No, I actually don't. Like 99% of my pixel art, I don't. The only time I use a tablet is if I'm just having fun, like playing around and like I want to create a scene. I think that this scene actually, it started using a tablet, but hold on, let me show you guys. So this scene you guys have probably seen at this point because I show it off every so often. But yeah, so I think this scene technically did start with using a drawing tablet just because I was just having fun. This was something I did just for like relaxation purposes. But when I got into like actually detailing everything, there was no possible way I could do that with the drawing tablet. So like, for example, like the clouds and even the monsters, and just getting the cliffs, like the rocky kind of like formation, like all of that stuff I had to swap to a mouse and keyboard because that's how I do my workflow. But yeah. So, oh, what just happened? What happened to the likes? The likes are disappearing. We were at what, 110 and now it's at 65. I have no idea what just happened. That's okay. It doesn't really matter. But let's work on the Discord thing. Like, do you guys see that too? Somebody try to refresh the page. Does it like what? Why does it say 64? YouTube's like, see ya. Buy half your likes. See ya. That's okay. We still hit it. So let's make that. Anyway, so this is I think what I want to do. For the rocks, but how would I do the sides? The sides and the front are going to be different. I guess we'll just have to cross that bridge when we get there. I do think that this is good though. Did everyone dislike before we got our Discord emoji? I don't think so. We were at like 110 and now it's at 65. I think that's just something that, I don't know, something just glitched out. But it's okay. I'll still do the Discord emoji. So yeah, I think that this looks better. So I'm just going to get rid of this now. Boop. See ya. And then we can use this as our reference. So, and just for simplicity's sake, you can go ahead and get rid of all this. Just so I can use this in tile setter. Reece, give me quick motivation. You can do it. I believe in you. You can make your dreams come true. Mobeen Faisal. I don't know if that's how you pronounce your name. In 5 years, you're going to watch this back and you're going to remember where you were and where you are today. And it's going to be a special moment. Looks great. What is good mouse for pixel art? Oh man, any mouse is good mouse. But personally, I don't even know what this is. I think it's called is it a T series? I don't know. I don't know what it's called. Let me see. Can you guys see that? That's what the logo looks like. Let me flip it. Let me flip it. Yeah, that's what the logo looks. I don't know. I would just say get a mouse that feels comfortable to you. I wouldn't recommend anything specifically because I don't think it matters too much. I want to get a Razer mouse, I think, but do I need to? I don't know. I don't know. What did you study? I was guys, don't do this to me. Hold on, let me show you something real fast. Oh, whoops. Boom. So, no, I don't think it is called T-Series because that's something else. What is this? T-Mouse brand. I don't know what it's called. This brand. What's this brand called? It's called PicTech. That is what it's called. PicTech. I bought it because it was very cheap and it has cool LED lights and I like that and it looks pretty. It's not the best mouse by any stretch of the imagination. I think it's it's nice. It's nice. It's just a cheaper brand, you know? But it looks nice. So that's all that matters to me. All I care about is aesthetic. I'm only half kidding. Anyway, so what did you study? So I'm actually my next video, which I'm not going to show you guys everything, but I'm working on some titles, and this is what I'm working on right now. So what did I study? Nothing. Yeah, boy is an idiot. Now I was in school for a semester in college, doing software development, and it just wasn't fun for me. I didn't enjoy it, so I left it, and I tried to. It sounds dumb, and I say it all the time, but it is what it is. But like, you know, tried to make my dreams a reality, and here we are. So, yeah. I do want to do psychology though at some point. I'm thinking about honestly maybe just going to school. Just to go to school, like just to be back in like an environment, like a, what do you call it? In a school environment. And and like study psychology, not to get a job out of it. I know it's very difficult. Like every time I say that, people are like, "Oh man, like psychology, it's so hard to get a job in. Like, why are you doing that?" I'm like, I'm not gonna get a job in it. I just want to be educated. I just enjoy it. Like it's something that I enjoy. So it doesn't really matter, you know. But I think it would just be nice to like have something. Who knows? I might lie and change my mind and never do that, but it's a possibility. There we go. Look at that. Is that crazy or what? Damn, baby. Sleek. I know we're on the topic of video games and stuff in this chat, but who here likes D&D? Guys, raise your hand. Who says that? Who said that? Go Doc. Go Doc. What's up, man? The Mushroom. Hey, I'm new. How are you doing, man? I hope you're having a good time. Guys, it was very lonely not streaming last week. Ow, my leg hurts. Ow. Hold on. Ow. My leg hurts. Okay. So if I just throw this into Tilesetter, hold on, let me open up Tilesetter and see what's going on. So this is another program that I do use from time to time. I really need to buy the full version. I don't know why I don't have the full version. I need to buy the full version. But anyway, let's create a tile set here. So how does this work? Let's do this. And okay, wait. No, it needs to be double length. Uh-oh. I think I made an oops. I think I screwed this up, but that's okay. Let's just so we gotta make what, a blob tile set, I think. Weighing border generation between 3 or more tiles are not available. I'm just gonna buy, okay, let me just buy Tilesetter to not have the light version. But okay, for now, let's just try this. I don't remember how I have to do this. I always forget. Every time I forget. So I need to do the blob, but obviously I can't do this. So we have to start with this tile set. Okay, I think we can save ourselves. So we start with this tile set and we do create a blob tile set. And we flip it. How do I rotate? Good God. Flip it on the Y. Flip it on the X. Oh no. Okay. So I think we do that, and then we take this middle one and we reference this, or no? Oh my God. I don't know what I'm doing. I think this is what I do though. I could be wrong. I could be completely wrong. So this, so now we have to make like flat versions for them to like sit on its side, because you don't want this side showing, right? Hold on, what if we just flip this on the x-axis? That's not really gonna work, because then we have like the inner and the outer. But hold up. Let me just try it. Wait, you use Tilesetter? Yes, I do. I've been using it for a little while now. Oh no, this one doesn't flip, and then this one does. So like these are technically all fine. There's some issues here that we would have to fix, like go in and fix manually. But basically I need to figure out how to connect these two. Okay, hold on. So let me oh god. This one is a disaster. I'll figure this out. So basically these connecting tiles need to make sense. So we need to have this. How does this work? Let's just plug it in. Whoops. Damn, guys. What do we do with these? Okay. Also, this is a double repeating pattern. Yeah, I think we gotta just buy the heavy version. You know what? Actually, I'm just gonna do this manually. I'm not gonna use tile setter for this. I'm just gonna do it manually. So how would I do that? I think realistically we just need a horizontal one and a vertical one. Or maybe we don't even need... Hold on. So if this just tiles on itself... Sorry, this is so confusing. Does that look awful? Like, forget that this is here for now. Just forget that this exists. So let's just say this exists. Technically, we could just layer these sideways, and that would still work, I think. I definitely think we need more variety, but I think what we have to do is we just have to make sure that this is actually tileable. So, oh no, I don't want to cut this off. That's the problem. This makes me sad. Looks like boxes, not walls. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. They kind of look like boxes. Okay, wait. When in doubt, just don't do it. I think I'm just gonna not do it right now, because I feel like my brain is not understanding what's happening. So when in doubt, just give up. That's bad advice, but it's the advice that I'm gonna live by. Right? Because if we can just do this and then maybe create like a wall on the side here. So without using any kind of like extra detailing or anything, if we can just... Oh my god. Let's just pretend, okay? Let's just pretend. Okay. Let me take this off. I think I'm gonna just wing it and do something kind of like this, but obviously with all of the sides, and have this, you know, done properly. But yeah, I think that makes sense. And then we can just connect this, right? Okay. Dude, I have anxiety of the fact you don't have 100,000 subscribers. Me too, honestly. I have anxiety about that too. I'm kidding. Anyway, let's do the Discord emoji before we, you know, get too far in this. But yeah, so this is my concept. I'll just say this is my concept of how we would do the sides. Okay, so I'm just gonna paste this in the second one, and so then we can kind of understand, we can get a general idea of, you know, this is how we're gonna do our second sides. Very, very, very general idea, but yeah. Have you made an emoji yet? No. So if you guys want to slap some emojis in the chat so we can discuss what we want to do. I've been making emojis. I'll just bring it up for those of you guys that are not in the Discord server or, you know, haven't been on the recent live streams. We've been pretty much every stream we've been creating Discord emojis. So let's see, what are the new ones that we've recently added? Guys, we're almost at 800 members. We need 11 more members to get to 800 members on the Discord server. I think I'm gonna wait until we get to 1,000 members to apply for the Discord partnership. But yeah, I'll apply for that soon. Anyway, so roles. No, not roles. Emojis. So the recent emojis that we added. So at first we were just adding like, here's a monster in the game, and then we throw on, you know, a little like phrase. But I think, you know, it's just a little lazy. I like these, but I don't want to continue doing that. So we have the, you know, the Monster Tribe logo. Then we started to get into actual emojis. So we have the bro fist emoji. We have like a confusion emoji. You know, still using the monsters, but I'm doing them in a different way. So yeah, the love emoji, heart eyes emoji. And then we got the yay emoji, which is actually, it's not from Monster Tribe. This is something kind of like a side project I'm doing on my own. It's not a game per se. It's just something I'm working on just for fun. Trying out different art styles and stuff. More on that in the future. But yeah, so if you guys have any like Discord emojis that you want to see, yeah, let me know. Like, yeah. I think the singular lines in the middle might make it look a little too repeated, but if that's the intention, it's okay. Yeah, I mean, I think maybe we could add like one less. Like, I don't think technically we need this one. Let's try to just get rid of this one and see what happens. But yeah, I mean, the idea is to kind of, it's fine if it looks a little repeated. That's, you know, that's natural. But yeah. Is the wall tile set middle parts? Is the wall tile set middle parts? What do you mean by that? I don't think I understand. But hold up. What if we add a line here? Does that make it stand out more? I think so. Boom. I actually like that. I don't know if I like it just like the double thickness here, or if I like having like this break. Maybe we can try both. I actually, yeah, I like that a lot. I think this looks pretty good. The only problem is that it looks like it's mirroring this side, which doesn't make too much sense. So for that reason specifically, we might have to get rid of these. Okay, let's just keep it like that. That looks good. Okay. You should do the elemental ghost monster that originated from the 3D first person shooter and do it as like a ghost, like scary emoji, scared emoji. That could be interesting, but he has no features. He doesn't have any features, so I feel like that would be a little tough. Maybe we could give him a features. I don't know. Well, let's save this out. So at least, at the very least, we have the ground tile sets done for the ruins. But I do like these walls as well. It's just we have to make the sides, like the, you know, on the left and right side, and then also the top. We have to make the top as well. Or no, we just have to make the left and right side, because I think the top is always going to be shown in the same perspective. So yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I don't know. I'll figure out something for the side walls. Figure out a plan. Add a sleepy ghost. Only comes in a specific area at night and is pretty rare. That's a cool idea. That rogue could be raised up as the hands and just add in the face. The robe. Oh, the robe. The robe could be raised up as the hands and just add in the face. That's true. Okay, hold on. Let me just get him get it as a reference. Yeah, I think this looks better. I like the line here. And then we just add in one more shadow. I don't know if we technically need this, like a double shadow on the side, but I guess it makes it more consistent, so we will do that. Okay. All right, let's get to doing this emoji. Or we call it Sleepy Ghost. That sounds cool. That does sound cool. Okay, so where is he? We're not gonna be able to. Oh, actually, yeah, we can find most of our monsters through the bestiary. That makes life so much easier. Oh my god, that makes life so much easier. We'll be adding to the bestiary soon. Ish, not really, not soonish, but guys, there's too much going on right now. Oh my god. And then this morning I woke up and I completely forgot I was supposed to be doing the GMTK jam. That made me want to cry. I don't know. I'm not 100%. I'm supposed to be doing it with somebody. So if he still wants to do it, I'll do it. Because he asked me and I did say I'm down. But that was a while ago and I feel like a lot's changed since then. Busy man. I got a lot on the go right now, but I'll try to make it happen. I'd like to join GMTK, but it's just tough. Okay. I think because I don't want the full pose. I don't want this guy just like chilling here. I think I want to do something different. So I think I want to actually like remake him. Just using the same colors. So let's grab this color for the face. Actually, let's do a 24 by 24. Maybe even smaller. Let's do a 16 by 16 canvas. So I think I want to just make like a face. Like make it just his face. Pretty much. I'm trying to see. Do I have extra? Actually, I don't think I do. Okay. So yeah, what if we just do like a face like this? And we like give him a face in here. The only, I don't like that though, because I don't want him to have a face, you know? Like we might have to do a different emoji, because I don't really like the idea of him even having a face in the first place. So I think we should do something different. Because like technically, you know, we could just kind of like create this guy's face, but I don't know. We might have to do something else. I think we should do something else. Okay, let's do it. Storm, what's going on, man? I don't think I've... It's hard to keep track now. I feel like... I used to be able to tell like new people from old, but it's getting pretty hard, I think, at this point. I used to be able to see like, oh yeah, I've never seen this name before, but it's getting hard. All right, let's look at a different guy and see if we can think of an interesting emoji. I mean, it doesn't need to be associated with the monsters, to be perfectly honest. But Bowman doesn't have a face. I thought it was just covered in shadows. I don't think he has a face. I don't think so. Imagine. Oh god. Look how small that face is. Yeah, no, I don't think so. In one of them, I think he might have something like this. He might have like a one eye type situation in one of the fusions. I don't fully remember. I could be wrong. But yeah, no, he doesn't have a face. That would be pretty terrifying. Okay. I don't know. I have no ideas for this Discord emoji. Ah, man. What are you guys talking about here? He is not Danny, therefore isn't immature enough to take you up on the challenges because you add or you can't do that to the end. Yeah, I mean, I don't think he's immature. I just think he's, you know, making video. Like it's not clickbait. I feel like clickbait's the wrong word. It's just like it's an enticing thing to do. Like, yes, like it's kind of old now, but when it was first happening, like I think it was really funny. I think a lot of people were excited about it. So yeah, I don't think it's immaturity. I think that when you're on the platform, you sometimes have to, like, there's a lot of videos that I make that like I necessarily wouldn't make if I wasn't a YouTuber. You know what I mean? Like this new video that I'm making right now. Like, I think it sounds like it's super, what's the word? It's super like egotistical, I think. But like it's how the platform operates. And like, if you know, like if you're trying to like grow on the platform, like sometimes you have to make videos that you wouldn't necessarily. It's hard to say because like I am making the content I want to make, but sometimes the way that you have to go about it, you have to be a little extra, because that's how you get more clicks. You know, like, I mean, there's people like Mizizizes, which like he's the total opposite. Like he doesn't care about like any of that stuff. And that works for him, but I think like that's like a 1 in a million, you know? Like, I don't know. It's tough. It's tough. You just randomly draw stuff and it looks so cool. I don't even know what this is, man. I'm new here. What's the game about? It's an RPG. It's a monster catcher RPG game. Make the emoji for the Reaper looking guy. Maybe the hood is making an expression. Oh man, yeah, I don't know. I just feel like this guy's such a hard thing to do an emoji of. I'll brainstorm, but honestly, I'm feeling very uninspired today. I don't know if I can think of that. Yeah, I'm at least glad that we got the these done. These walls done, and we got done the ground, the new ground decoration tiles. So I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Anyway, I don't know what this is supposed to be. Lava? Maybe. Maybe. Alright, chat. I ignored you for a little while. What's going on? Make a chill blob. I can make a chill blob. Actually, hold on. Let me go back to my old the platformer assets. Is there anything that we could do with these? Maybe. I think we could do something with this chest. Maybe. Wasp and Soulgeist are my favorite monsters. What monsters do you guys like? Yeah, you guys can let me know. I mean, we still have the... I don't even know where the bestiary is. It's on the Discord. It's on... I don't know where it is. I agree. I think it's funny and mature in the fact that he is hardworking, but on screen I can't help but laugh at him buying an $800 Oculus to prove an argument. I agree. Like, yeah, it's like you got to do some stuff sometimes that, like, I don't know. But yeah, hold on. Let me drop this in the chat. So I think we could just do like a funny like success or something kind of thing. We could have some stuff popping out of the chest and like, I don't know, some kind of emoji with the chest. Add a key to the platformer sprites. That's true. You should do that. I'll do it soon. I think we can get rid of this. Oh, wait. Yeah, I feel like this emoji's... I don't know. I don't think it has a purpose here. How do you make sound effects for it? I haven't gotten to sound effects. My composer, Leonard, has done all of the... what's it called? He does the... sound effects for like the menus and stuff. I think I'm gonna have to make the sound effects for like the actual environment stuff. So like the, you know, the chopping of the tree, the mining of the rocks, and more of that stuff. But we'll see. I don't know. I mean, I'll talk to Leonard and we'll see what's going on. But yeah, so I haven't gotten to it yet. I have to do that probably this week. Anyway, so we could have some items popping out of the chest. I can reference it from... Did you change rooms? No, I turned around. I'm still in my room right now, but I'm turned around. So that's why it's a little different. You guys will see in the new video I changed up a little. My setup. New video comes out, what, Thursday? Something like that. I missed you guys. I missed you guys so much. Oh God. Hi. Welcome. Loan is back. Loan is back. Hello, curious. What tools do you recommend to make RPGs? Reece equals good YouTuber. Thanks, man. What tools do you recommend to make RPGs? I don't know. I mean, I personally, I use GameMaker Studios 2 for my game engine, and then I use Sprite for my pixel art. But I think it really just depends. You know, what are you trying to do? I guess best way to put it. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to accomplish? Hold up. Okay, I'm gonna close this stuff out because we don't need it anymore. I'm glad that we at least got something done for the dungeons and stuff. But yeah, Good Guess recommended a good software for sound effects. Did he? Need to ask him about that. Sound effects, baby. Sorry guys, I'm trying to look at my chat more. Doing my best. I feel kind of bad. Hello, I like your channel. I like your name, Elvis. What's everybody been doing recently? Oh man. Yeah, what have you guys been up to? I'd love to know. Me personally, I've been doing a bunch of stuff that I can't talk about actually. Yet, I don't think. I'll probably announce it soon. I think I'm gonna announce it on my Instagram first, and then probably update on like Twitter. But it's something behind the scenes that I'm working on that I don't think I can really talk about. World building. Okay. Interesting. Some world building action. Nice, man. Okay. There we go. Let's add in the purple one as well. And the green one. I think the green one can just kind of be like chilling. Do you know a good free game engine? Man. Are we gonna hit 100 likes again? Guys, we got to almost 120 likes, and then YouTube said, see ya, and they deleted half of our likes, and we went back down to 60. Can we hit 100 likes for the second time today? Before the stream ends? I don't know. We'll see. When stuff like that happens, it just like makes me sad. Like, why are you doing this? Why? Yo, I feel bad. I don't know if anybody saw, but I just kicked my first person. I don't know. I feel like I don't know. I don't really have time for silliness anymore. But somebody logged onto the stream. Guys, I feel bad. Am I a dickhead? Maybe. But somebody logged on the stream and they said something that a very offensive thing. And I don't think it showed up because like YouTube has like an auto filter, so it just like if something's bad, like it won't show up. And so I was already like, I don't like that. I don't like those kind of people in my chat. and then they said something else, and then I just booted them. I feel kind of bad. I've never done that before, but I don't know. I don't have time for shenanigans, so guys, just behave, and we're cool. Okay. I'm just trying to have like some... Okay, let's do the red one as well. Might as well. How do you like your eggs? I actually like eggs like in all different styles, actually. I like... I don't know, man. I like them, I feel like in every single style that eggs exist, I like them. Like, I like them poached, I like them scrambled, I like them fried. I think the only thing that I don't necessarily like is, like, sunny side up. But, yeah. I think so. How much longer will the stream go on for? I don't know. Probably not too much longer, but, you know, we're here right now, so... We're doing a thing. Okay. I'm gonna flip this one. Actually, no. Because these are like the exact, so it's actually good that... We do be here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I appreciate it. You do be here. I agree. Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna move this whole thing over. And then we're gonna just get rid of some of this black. Vibin'. We do be here vibin'. Okay. What are you making? I'm trying to make a Discord emoji and I have literally no idea what it's even going to be used for. I feel like I needed a better plan, but that's alright. We're making a Discord emoji somehow. Hello, Ian. What's going on, man? 10 more likes till we get 100 for the second time today. Let's do it. I think that's a record, no? Hitting 100 likes 2 times in one day. How far are you into the game? We're about a year into development, and we have about another, I don't know, maybe 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. Make the eyes bigger. Does this thing have eyes? Should I do the same thing that we did before? Should I add eyes to this? Oh god. I feel like that's going to be really weird. Looks like it has a mustache. Oh no. What about that? Nah, I think we want these facing in. Yo, Reece, I made a logo. Let's see it, man. Let's see it. Oh, guys, let's hit it again. Let's go. We're at 99. Let's go. Derp chest. Yeah, literally. I think I could crunch this down. Actually, never mind. Your lighting techniques are cool. Thank you, man. 100. Let's go. Hype in the chat. We hit 100 likes 2 times today. Very successful. It's for your server. How do you want me to import it? Just send it over to me, maybe in the chill zone, and I'll give it a look. What does it look like, my sir? Let's see it. 200 likes in one stream. Woo! I don't think so. I think it reset to 60. So technically, I think we're around 150 likes. So not technically at 200. But, you know. Anyway, you can, I don't know. I guess you can send it in our art, or you can send it in the chill zone. You can send it somewhere, and I'll take a look at it. Omlex. Let's get to 200. I don't know. Guys, I just want to say, real quick, if you're not subscribed, please. This is my friendly reminder. Please make sure to subscribe. Hi, do you recommend Tile Setter? I do. Yeah, I do. I'll be buying the full version later today. So. Chill Zone. Not Chill Moan. Come on, man. Don't be silly with it. Oh my god. Anyway, I don't know if... Should the chest... I guess the chest should have eyes. But I don't know how to do this. LMAO, I definitely am subbed. I like that. I appreciate that. What? It just doesn't... I don't know. This looks so dumb. What is happening? It's not locked. Oh, that's why. We could just have like the eyes like this. But they don't really look like eyes. What about that? Oh, there we go. Open mouth. Oh, baby. That's perfect. Hell is a good place to learn coding. Oh, God. Shocked chest. I don't know. Like, does this look okay? I don't know, guys. This looks kind of silly. Mind blown emoji. Absolutely. He's scared, you know? What if we give this thing eyes? I just feel like it's too little detailing. It's not gonna show. I guess if I do that, then it'll show. What if I do that? I think that looks fine. I like that. That's a lot neater. A lot better. Thank you, guys. It looks like it has glass eyes. Maybe, yeah. So this is our expression. I just don't know what color to make this. I think black is fine, but check the chill zone. All right, let me check the chill zone. I have so many tabs open right now. Oh my god. Look at that, eh? Nice and cute. I like that. Chill, chill. You guys ready for chat spam? Oh, it's coming. It's coming. As soon as this bad boy is uploaded, I don't even need to tell you guys anymore. You just do it. Just go ham. Everyone goes crazy. And that a new emoji gets added. All right. All right. Because mimics are evil, truly evil. Yeah, I actually like this emoji. It's a nice one. Discord. Mind blown. What is harder to do, designing or programming? I think they definitely both have their own strengths and weaknesses. Oh, wait, hold on. But I would say, yeah, I don't know. I think that's completely up to the individual. Me personally, I think that, I mean, it's hard. I do, hold on. Let me get, what is this? Oh, God. Yeah, it's difficult. I enjoy designing more than I do programming. So if you, by designing, if you mean like art or programming, I don't know. I think it depends. I think programming is just not as much fun, and so it's a lot more tedious and annoying and boring. But yeah, I think it's up to the individual. I just personally have a lot of fun designing, but it is, I mean, it's hard. Like, you know, a lot of times I'll just like, I have literally no idea what I'm doing, you know? And then you have to just like figure it out somehow. Which can be very difficult. But programming is, yeah, I guess it depends on the complexity. I've made games in the past that are just extremely easy to like make. And so the programming was very simple, and I did struggle much more with the art, but I think that at this point I'm, you know, understanding art a lot more. So explode? I guess I could say explode. Am I gonna get it first? Am I gonna get it first? Oh, please, please. I've never gotten it first. Oh, I got it first. Let's go. I got the emoji first. You guys got played. Literally every time I do this, you guys are like on it. Like super, super fast. I did it. I made it. I got it first. Maybe we could, hold on. I might be able to make this better. Let's see. Oh wait, what's wrong? Yeah, no, it's not the new one. But hold up. I think we could actually, watch this. Boom, we move this over. Where's the, where is it? Questionable emoji. Here it is, baby. I think we could do a nice exclamation point for this one. Yeah, let's do a nice exclamation point. Maybe 2 exclamation points? Is that crazy? Yeah, that's crazy. That's insane. I think we should throw this up here though. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna fix the emoji. Oh God. What is happening? There we go. Fixed it. So then we have the exclamation point here, and then we are going to add. Yo, you guys aren't ready for the new one. You guys aren't ready for the new one. I still think questionable emoji is definitely the best by far. Best emoji. But you know, you can't make a, you can't get a home run on every bat. You know what I mean? You can't get a home run on every bat. So let's do that, and then maybe I can move this down one. Like that covers more space, but I feel like this kind of makes more sense. Okay. So yeah, let's do this. Maybe we can just add a little white dot right here or something. It's like a little coin or something. There we go, just to fill the space a little bit more. Maybe we can add another coin up here. Boom, baby. Perfect. Perfect. Omix, we'll see you later, man. You guys are so nice. Everyone's just super nice. Saying goodbye to each other. Love that. Monkey, what are you guys talking about? All right, let's update it. Let's update the emoji. Boom. See ya. Trash. Get that emoji out of here. Boom. Explode. Good job, guys. You beat me to it again. Boom. Question, how are you going to handle UI scaling in GMS 2? So I can't. Basically what we do is we have like a global variable that scales the UI, and then we have like anchor points. So like the, everything's on like either, top center or top left, top right, bottom left, bottom center, or center. And you just have things that can kind of like anchor based on that for different sizes. So, yes. Anyway, new Discord emoji. I think this one's, I don't know. I think this is probably the worst one, to be honest. But maybe it's useful. Maybe it could be useful in certain circumstances. I just feel like it has the least like power to it. Like the heart eye emoji, it serves a very valuable thing. The yay emoji, like, very valuable. Me before 2020. Bro, I actually love that little slime guy. That's so cute. I love that. It's so nice. But yeah, guys, so that's gonna do it for today. I'm very happy with what we did today because, we got in the decals. We where is it? We finished the kind of like the main sprite work for the tiling walls, and then we have to just kind of, work on these side positions, which will be interesting. What I think I might do is I might kind of like just have it. Actually, that's weird because then it's always gonna be off to one side. Oh my god. Actually, we could hack this and technically have it on both sides. I'm just trying to think, how do I make my life easy? How do I make my life easy? Let's just say we do this, right? Solid. Polydev. Is that Jacob? Is that the real Jacob? Or is that somebody pretending to be Jacob? Polymars, is that you? I miss you, man. Guys, if that is the real Polymars, we need to record dev dump soon. People are getting impatient. People are getting impatient. Anyway, let's just say, okay, for example, okay, boom, done. Reece, what time is it at your place? It's 2:15 p.m. for me. But yeah, let's just say that this is what we do, right? And we just add one of these in here and then this. And does that look proper? I don't know. I think doing something like this is actually fine, you know? Like I actually like that. Damn. Did we solve our problem? So then what if we let's grab this side and move it down. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. I think it's gonna work. Stream etal. Subscribe to Reece. Yes, yes, yes. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. I do think this technically works. Oh, I'm so excited about this. You guys don't understand. So I'll have to do it for real, where it's patterned and it works. But I actually do like the double-sided thing here. Man, I love that. Very interesting. Yes. By the way, it's stream it all. Subscribe to Reece. I only subscribe to Reece if Reece returns to Monkey. What do you mean, man? What are you guys talking about? Are you talking about the Discord thing? I don't know what you guys talk about half the time. Like, to be honest. I wouldn't want to be in one of those squares. Why? Is claustrophobic in there or what? It looks kind of claustrophobic. Man, I love that though. What are you guys doing, man? Next emoji, alien. Yes. Guys, we added a new Discord emoji. All right, let's see. Who is in the Discord today? Pillar of Salt, welcome. Lakoshi, welcome. Crazy.jpg, welcome to the Discord server. Pandius 2, CMV Bubba. That's a sick name. That's the sickest name I've ever seen in my life. Bread Plays, welcome. Tiny Devil Games. Capanion? I don't know. Mitz SSSS. Omne, welcome. Trailer Man YouTube. That's a lot of new people today. Reese's Monkey, thanks, man. That's me. Yes, sir. That's you. Welcome, Bread Plays. Oh my god. I was gonna say Bread's Play, but it doesn't make sense. Anyway, so what does that bring us to? What does that bring us to? Server wise. 796. Oh my god. Can we just get 4 more people in the Discord? We gotta hit that 800 members. We just hit 700 members, guys. When was that? Let's see. I made an announcement about it. We just hit 700 members. We hit that this month. We hit that like, what was that, 18 days ago or something? Oh my god. Literally 2 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago. Less than 3 weeks ago. We hit 700 members. And we're already about to hit 800. I see a little thing. Compare? I don't know. Sub to Bread Plays for free air. Nice, man. Nice. Trailer Man, you're in there too, man. Welcome. Comper. Okay. It's Comper. He told me. Join the Discord. Let's see. It might take a bit to show up. But I will definitely check it to see if anybody else joins. We're so close. Can we hit 800 members on the Discord server in this live stream? Also, guys, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. It'd make me happy. So yeah, that's really all it does. It just makes me happy. So, you know, I mean, that's not all it does. You also get access to all of my content when I upload. Just saying, you know, just saying. Is it a necessity? No. But would recommend. Would recommend for sure. OMG, Reece is so cool. Thanks, man. Subscribe if you breathe oxygen. Yes, sir. What res are your monsters drawn at? 42 by 42. I think, like, generally kind of like a 32 by 32 canvas, but like if you know, it's a 42 by 42 that I use, but I don't fill them all the time. What is this? Good content for free? Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Welcome to the Discord. Torpedo, welcome to the Discord. So I think that means that we only need, what, 2 more members or something? Oh, wait, what? How does that work? We're apparently at 800 now. Guys, we made it. 800 members. 800 members. 800 members on the Discord. Where's my yay emoji? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, that's actually a perfect time for the this emoji. Perfect time for this emoji and this emoji. Damn, our emojis are coming in clutch. We did it. Looks like confetti a little bit, yeah. I mean, they're like gems, but they can be whatever you want it to be. They're gems and coins. But, you know. Hi, YouTube Live. Welcome. Midnight. Let's go. Let's go. It's me. It's me, Polymars. I don't think that's Polymars. Yo, let's see what our last... Hold up. I will read... Hold on. Sorry. Oh, I don't want to... DMs. No. Okay, let's just go to Bargie's DMs for a sec. Or Good Guesses DMs. Just so I don't expose anybody. When is... Yo, we haven't talked in a long time, bro. Jacob, I miss you. I feel like we talk on Instagram more than we talk on Discord. But yeah, I don't think that's the real Polymars, dude. Pumpkin Kid. Magical gems. Yeah, I mean, it's like, you know, it's like magical gems. Hey, I'm high. YouTube Live, LMAO. Yes, sir. You guys are all in here. Let me see. Oscar is in here. Pumpkin Kid is in here. E. Wather. Bread Plays. Blue Uwu. Blee Uwu. I don't even know. Companion. Midnight. Everyone's in here. Alright, but let me see. Like, you know, the stream. We got to get back to the stream. I meant Polydev in your chat. Okay, makes sense. Oh yeah, more people joining the Discord. There we go. Let's go, guys. Like we always get new people whenever we stream, which is great. But I feel like this is the first time that I like promoted it. Like, yo, guys, let's get in here. And so we passed 800 today. That's awesome. That's dope. All right, I'm gonna close Discord now. We'll get back to some Sprite stuff, and then I'll probably leave soon. So. If you guys enjoyed today's stream, we're almost done. Sad. I am sad. But yeah, so this is what we'll start to work on, but, you know, obviously we would have to like, okay, you know, let's break this up. Let's do this. Let's add a little thing in here. Whatever we want to do, but we would basically just make it so that this vertical tiles and the horizontal tiles, and they actually can link up together. So yeah, I'll work on that another time, but for now I think this is fine. and we will leave it like this. So this, if you guys are, you know, just joining in or, you know, have been here for a little while but haven't seen, we're working on the dungeon tile sets. So here's kind of like the decor for the ground. There's like some kind of like, what do you call it? Like you can see like the underneath or whatever. And then there's some like energy kind of flowing through. Here's the outside. Here's the outside building. So you would go into this building and then you would have like, this is like the inside. So here are like some of the walls that you would see. And then we're going to start to kind of make some vertical walls as well. And yeah, and then here's the decor that I've been working on. So great stuff, guys. I'm so excited on what's going on. Super Octo, how you doing, man? Vlog. Goner boy, you're right, it's more convenient. What's more convenient, sir? Just randomly got recommended the stream while working on my own dream RPG game. That's ironic. That's funny. Welcome, man. I love seeing new people join in. What software are you using? I'm using Sprite. I love what you're doing. Inner Eagle, thank you. I'm happy you can realize your dream. Me too, man. I mean, it's all thanks to you guys. Literally every job, like every opportunity I've gotten is pretty much through YouTube. And if you guys weren't watching, I wouldn't have any clout. I'm kidding, kind of. But anyway, you know, like you guys make it happen. So thank you. Nathan Campbell, sick pixel art. Thank you, man. New people are epic. I agree. Old people are also epic, though. I just love everybody that comes out, you know? The new, the old. The bitter. The excited. But, yeah, I think we're going to have to call it today. I have to do some other stuff, and I can't be doing this all day. But I did tell you I would show you guys a little bit of something. So here's what I'm working on. So we're filming at the waterfall, right? So we were filming at the waterfall. I don't know if this was yesterday or the day before, but I was out with my buddy and we were doing some filming. And basically we needed to get some B-roll. So yeah, I'm low on B-roll. So what I do is here's a little insight into what I do, but basically I just, you know, on my secondary drive, I have all my stuff. So I have my backup videos, which actually a lot of them got deleted recently. But yeah, so I'd have previous videos. Usually I have them like this, so I have all of the source files. So if I need to pull something up, I can easily do that and refer to something that I did in a previous video. But a lot of these files are getting deleted over time. So as I kind of just, you know, don't need them, I don't want to be a hoarder on my drive. So in my digital space. Anyway, I need some more B-roll. I've been using a lot of the same B-roll over and over. So we wanted to get some new stuff. So we went out, we got some footage. And yeah, so I'm using some of it in the new video, but basically, what was I going to show you? Oh yeah, I was going to show you what I'm doing. So also I bought a music software, so I'm going to be still using a few of the tracks that I've been using, but I want to start getting new music and just like updating stuff. So I'm not, you know, getting in the same rut. You guys are watching the same video with a slightly different topic. I want to continue to evolve and change things and whatever. But if we see the new video will come out Thursday or something. Here's the intro. I don't want to show you. I'm going to show you a few stills. I'm not going to show you guys the full thing. But here's a few stills. And yeah, so basically I pull one of those. Anyway, I don't know. It's what it is. You guys will see on what is it, Thursday? Thursday should be when the video comes out. I just want to work on better videos, so I think I'm gonna just swap to a bi-weekly schedule. and take more time to just focus on other things. I have a few things going on in the background. Can't really talk about, but yeah. I probably won't be releasing weekly videos anymore. I'll probably swap to bi-weekly. I think that's enough time for where it's like I'm still posting consistently. You guys aren't forgetting about me, but I can focus on, you know, quality over quantity, and make the videos I really want to make. So anyway, I think that's going to be it for today's stream. Thank you, you know, for everybody just coming out and having a good time and chatting with me here today. Shub, welcome, man. Abrow, I think that's how you say your name. Maybe. I actually don't know. Stream equals worth times all the time. Thank you, man. I'm glad you guys like the streams. Entirely worth all my time. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah, you were here for a while, eh? You were here for a while. Quality is the best policy. Yes, 100%. I agree. So if you guys have any last minute questions, please shoot them at me right now before I leave. Oh my god, that was so funny. I won't be able to find it because it was just like in the Discord server, but somebody made a meme and like I kept, oh man, it was funny. It was like, I kept saying like, oh, I'm going to shoot you guys back into the chat because we were doing a live stage thing on Discord. And somebody made a funny meme out of it. But I don't think I would be able to find it. So yeah, if you guys have any last minute questions, let me know. But we did it. We did what we set out to do. How are you, cool person who makes cool games and do cool things? I don't know, man. I don't know. No, to be honest, I actually feel like, you know, a lot of the things I do was like just because I don't know, I thought it was fun. Like skateboarding, for example, it was something that I was always like scared to try, but I was like, man, like I just think that's like so cool, and so I wanted to do it, and that was it. You know, it's not deep. Like it was just, I thought it was interesting and I wanted to do it. Same with filmmaking, which I do want to get a lot better at. I'm like starting to kind of break out and do more like film stuff, like as you guys will see from the intro. I'll show you the intro, but never mind. I won't show you the intro. You guys will see it on Thursday. But yeah, I'm trying to incorporate more like film, like cinematography in my videos. So, Astro, how are you? I'm doing good. How are you? Is there going to be much world building? Absolutely. A lot of it. Yeah, for sure. We're starting to do a little bit now. Over the next couple weeks, we'll be doing some world building for the playtest. The Kickstarter backers, the alpha Kickstarter, whatever, beta people, they're gonna get stuff. What is your best advice for making your own game? Oh, man, I don't know. The problem is that I get this question every stream, so it's hard to always give different answers. I would just say like focus on build prototypes first, you know? Play around with different art styles, different game engines, you know, join game jams, make games in small time frames, and don't worry about, you know, dropping projects early on. I probably made like 20 or 30 prototypes before I even attempted to make a real game, let alone making a commercial game that I sell, right? When is the next stream? Probably in a few days. I missed you guys, so I love getting on here and streaming for you guys. So maybe like, what's today? Tuesday? Maybe Friday. Yeah, maybe Friday. But yeah, is it advisable to make music for YouTube videos? I mean, like it takes a lot. That would definitely take a lot of work, but I think so. I think it's like, it would be worth it if you have the ability to. Like I use a lot of the music that I use in the videos is not anymore. I'm starting to kind of branch out, but a lot of the music I was using in the devlogs was strictly like Monster Tribe, like composed music. Now it's a little different because now the videos are not specifically like, here's a Monster Tribe devlog. It's like, here's a story about game development. So, but yeah, I don't know. I mean, if you're good at music, sure. Put in that time, put in that investment. I do think it's worth it, and I do think people will appreciate it more. You know, if you have like a consistent style through, you know, your video editing, but also like your sound effects, your music, like all that stuff, I think it does help. Hey Reece, just found your channel a few days ago and your work looks really cool. Hope you reach your objectives on your journey, dude. Thank you, Red Caribou. I appreciate it. I think I saw a comment from you recently. So yeah, I appreciate it, man. Let me just see. I'm just trying to see any last minute questions before we finish up here. Let me throw something interesting on screen. Oh yeah, did you guys see? So somebody at the beginning of the stream recommended that we outline our characters. Nobody recommended that before. Like, nobody used to recommend that. I would only get it very, very, very like sparingly. But recently, a lot of people have been saying that, of like, hey, yo, man, like, can you add outlines to your characters? I do think it looks a lot better, though. So I'm actually very pleased that we finally did it. So yeah, I'll have to do that. Anyway, last minute questions. I'm just going to keep the live stream on until we finish all of our questions. So I'm thinking of making a game, but I don't know if my prompt is great to expand on. That's interesting. I think any idea you can expand on, man. I think it's just about, the challenge of, like, that's where the creativity is, right? Like having an idea that is very, like, what do you call it? Like, not like pinpoint, like not exact, but, you know, an idea that's very like constrained, like the ability to kind of like open it up into other things, I think is what makes an indie game really cool. When you have just like a super, this is the core idea of the game, let's see how far we can expand it. But yeah, I don't know, man. If you don't like the idea, you know, don't feel bad about dropping it and trying something new. I watch your channel a lot. Thank you, Etal. I found this like yesterday. Yeah, we've been, I don't know. Okay, so I popped off, guys. Watch this. I love doing this late. It's like a late night stream type of thing where it's like stream's starting to die down a little bit, you know? And we're just kind of chilling. Oh yeah, you know how it is. More watchers than Thomas Brush. You know how it is. Let's check in on his stream. Yo, everybody go to his stream right now. And just like say something. Oh, he just he started streaming 107 seconds ago. Thomas, great work, man. You know who sent you, guys. Don't spam, but like, if you want, check out his stream. He's doing a really good job. So I'm probably gonna like end soon, and then, you know, you guys can watch him if you want. But stay with me for a little bit here. But yeah. Oh, he passed us. We're out of there. We're out of there, man. Something. Nice. Nice. Anyway, what was I doing? Also something. Oh god, I'm not gonna say anything. Yo, you guys are silly. You guys are silly, man. Okay, anyway, I'm happy with this. I'm happy that we did this. Anyway, so when will you return to Monkey? Oh god, I shouldn't have done this. Oh god. All right. Anyway, so here's the thing. I'll catch you guys on his stream or something maybe. But before we end, real quick before we end, I just want to say it was kind of hype because this video was starting to die, and then I changed the title and it revived it. And now we're picking back up steam. We're getting that steam back. See? So it starts to like level out, and then I changed it right around here or something. And then it started to increase, and now we're back on track to getting, you know, views again for this video, which is exciting. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna close it out. I might be on Thomas's stream for a little bit. You know who sent you, so give him a friendly reminder who sent you. Yeah, boy. All right, guys. I'm going to call it. That was a fun stream. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, maybe I'll see you over there. Have a good one. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you on Thursday for the new video premiering. And then I'll probably stream on Friday again. Bye, guys.